And welcome to my channel. Today I have bring a fresh video for you, unboxing of Redmi 5. This is the phone. So please subscribe our channel and watch the full video. Here is Redmi 5 in my hand. So Redmi branding, global button, and this is a 5.7-inch full display, LED selfie flash, and 3300 mAh battery, and Snapdragon 450 processor. So it is golden in color. It has 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. This is this crop display. It is exactly like Samsung Galaxy S8, and it's golden in color. The sensor, camera, and we put the power on. So it's power on. Me.com branding. It is dual SIM phone, dual standby, and 12 MP rear camera. This is open. This is the phone. Here are some Facebooks. We test each camera. We are going to test each camera. So we'll click some photo of this box. This knife. This is some pictures of I have just clicked. This is so, and here is a filter also. The color pop filter, rust IC, and metals, black and white filters. So this is the filters, and here are some functions of Microsoft. Here are the functions of Microsoft, Excel, and Google. So this is budget mid-range phone. You can buy it is 20,000 price in Nepali rupees, and just like $20 or $20 in USA. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe our channel.